day you've all been waiting for. Or maybe not as much you as me, but we finally received our full ultimate Kryptonite front end kit. The other important and exciting news is that today is finally the day that we're taking all the parts in to get powder coated. But first things first, let's unbox this stuff. All right, so now that we got everything unboxed here, there's a couple things we need to address before we can ship them out for powder. One of them being the plaque or the sticker here on these upper control arms. The other one being the tie rods. Just need to spin these ends off because we're only gonna be sending the bodies for powder. And the last one is going to be the idler support bracket, which we still need to weld onto the frame. So that's gonna be another step we gotta jump into right now. All right, and this guy here is gonna get welded onto the frame just like that right there. And man, that's actually a really good fit. There's no gap at all. But first things first, gotta clean all that stuff up and get a weld to actually stick. Should be able to just go right along these seams here and weld it in. And then haven't decided yet, but maybe I'll throw some puddles into these guys as well, just to give it a little bit more rigidity. But I'll grab the welder and we'll give it a go. All right, guys, so there it is. It's all welded in. I think what I'm gonna do next is just clean everything up here, and then we'll roll this frame outside and we'll just pressure wash it down because there's a lot of like built up grease on here that I don't really think that the sandblaster guys want to deal with. So I'll just do them a favor and just get rid of some of it ahead of time. But yeah, clean up this and then we'll throw it on the trailer. right, guys, and just like that, the frame is all loaded onto the trailer. Now what we got to do is start loading up all this stuff. Everything on the bottom here is going to be one color, and then everything on the top is going to be a separate color. So that's why there's a little bit of a break in between the two. What I'm gonna do now is just spend a little bit of time and just package everything up, and then we'll start loading it into the truck. Alrighty, so she's all strapped down, ready to go through the rear axle, just in the middle there. Also got a couple straps on her. Got all the parts in the back of the truck here, and then also threw a bunch of the smaller stuff just in the little box up front. So we got all that. And then I also threw 3 boxes inside the back seat there. But man, we are fully loaded up and finally ready to go. And I can't believe the garage looks absolutely empty. Like, it hasn't been this empty since I got the place. I'm doing well. Andy, how's it going? Good. Working hard, or are you working?
All of it.
All of the above. So we got everything outside.
We have a trailer.
We have a trailer. The rear diff, the rear axle, and the frame are on the trailer, and then all the other components are in the box, and then also in the cab. So it's quite a bit.
Quite a bit. Yeah, give Brad the heavy stuff. I'll take this stuff.
I think most of it's pretty heavy. This one's light.
You wanna grab the forklift and then I'll get this one started. I thought you were dropping off a lot of stuff.
Only a couple items. That's it.
Yeah.
All right, so we just finished unloading everything over at the Custom Powder Solutions shop. I'm just taking the axle and the frame over to Sahara Sandblasting just because they have a bigger area to actually blast it. And then after they're done blasting it, I'll pick it back up and bring it back to the shop so that they can do the powder coating on it there.